Honorable judges, supervisors, teachers, and all my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable Ma'am for giving us opportunity to showcase our talent. I am Mr. Mansalwar from 7B along with my group members. Ikam Milakshi, Varun Ujanin, Sanki Koyal, Patel Harshul, and Deshmukh Devraj. Now I would like to start my introduction speech of Australia. Australia is divided into 6 states and 2 territories. States like Tasmania, Victoria, South Australia, Western Australia, New South Wales, Queensland, and territories like Northern Territory and Australian Capital Territory is located in New South Wales. Tasmania, island of the southeast coast of the mainland, at most half is upon land that is protected by the government. Victoria, state closest to Tasmania, the capital is Melbourne. It is the most urban state in Victoria. The many rivers of the region are the good source of fresh water for farming. Now I would like to explain South Australia. The state in South Central Australia, and Great Victorian Desert is located here. Now I would like to explain Western Australia. The largest state makes up 1/3 part of the land. The most of the Western Australia is desert, and Great Victorian Desert and Great Sandy Desert is located here. Queensland, second largest state, seven times of the England, has more people than any other Australian state. The capital is Sydney. It is the most populated city in the Queensland. Among 3.5 people live here, and half of the Queensland population is lower. New South Wales, north of the Victoria and southeast and eastern on the eastern part, has more people than any other state. The capital is Brisbane, and among 3.5 million people live there, and Australian Capital Territory is also located here. Northern Territory, the state between Western Australia and Queensland, Northern Territory is located. Australian Capital Territories. The capital of Australia is Canberra, and it is located in the Australian Capital Territory. Now I would like to call my friend Mr. Milakshi for explaining our main topic, physical features of Australia.
Thank you, Rudra. My topic is physical features of Australia. The world's smallest and treacherous continent has Earth's oldest and least fertile soil. Australia receives their first spot. Common pets of Australia include Tasmania, south of the mainland. It is surrounded by the Indian and Pacific Ocean. Used as a plain stretches across. Middle central Australia's climate is hot and dry, with low climate along southeastern and southwestern coastal regions. Most of the Australian people live in southeastern coastal regions. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral, lies in the northeast coast of Queensland, over 1,200 miles long, contains an amazing variety of marine life, includes the world's largest collection of coral, 400 types of coral, 1,000 kinds of species of fish, 4,000 molecules, snails, clams, squid, octopus, etc. Also include rare fishes like sea cow and the large green turtle. Coral sea, an important source of coral for the Great Barrier Reef, part of the Pacific Ocean, lies in the northeast coast of Australia. When the Earth was moved millions years ago, it created a coral sea inviting rain in Australia. Squirrel islands are situated thousands of miles of ocean. No one lives on the island except a small group of feathers, especially. Ayazma, the huge that is shot in the center of the Australia, very close to the geographical center of the continent, appears reddish because its iron content right at the surface is monolith, which is the single largest sticking out of the earth. 12 stories high and almost 6 miles wide. Opportunity College Ulu, which is its official name. European survivors visited the rock in 1873 and named it after Sir Henry Earth. In 1950, Australia created Ul-Kata National Park around the Ayers Rock. Both are located in the northeast corner of the state called Northern Territory. The Great Pictorial Desert was stretches to the state of South Australia and Western Australia. It receives less rainfall each year and it never snows. Some grasslands in the desert along with the high hills and sun. Thank you. Now I would like to be joining for the further speech.
Thank you, Dilakshi. Now I would like to continue my speech on physical geography of Antarctica. Antarctica is the fifth largest continent on Earth, with up to 98% is being covered with thick ice and snow. Its unique position in high latitude to the southern hemisphere means almost all of the Antarctica has temperature below freezing or linear low. It also means that in winter it has completely darkness for 24 hours day, and in summer the sun rarely sets. Antarctica as a continent. Unlike the Arctic in northern hemisphere, which is ice floating on water, Antarctica is a continent with bottom under a thick ice sheet. Scientists have used satellite data to produce what Antarctica is like beneath the ice. This has shown that the bedrock is made up of 5 large land masses with islands surrounding them. Antarctica icy features. Antarctica hosts a range of fascinating icy features. It is one of only 2 places on Earth with an ice sheet. Ice sheets are the large area of thick ice, more than 50,000 kilometers square. Ice shells. The coastline is the outer part of a shell series of ice shells, which is floating extensively on their ice. These are the important glacier features. As they can hold back the ice on the land. They can also help to stop the land ice into flowing into the water. Sometimes these ice shells can carve into icebergs which flows around in the surrounding ocean. Sea ice. There are also extensive stretches of sea ice surrounding Antarctica. Sea ice are used for a range of wildlife. These including krillfish and penguins. Scientists are now showing that climate change is affecting the timing and extent of sea ice. Icebergs. Icebergs are bunches of ice and broken off from the mainland glaciers and ice sheet and floated away into the ocean. Icebergs are the large because it is close but less density than the water. Icebergs, most of the mass of icebergs is below the water and only little bit of his mass on above the water. Thank you. Now I would like to call Durga for ending speech. On behalf, along with my group members, I would once again like to thank who has given me the opportunity to speak a speech and put our speech. We do not walk by the following ways. We walk by doing and falling over the ground. With a beautiful poet, I would end my speech here. Thank you.